Ever wondered how robots see and understand the world around them? The secret lies in ROS2 and OpenCV working together to give machines truly smart vision. Robot vision is becoming a cornerstone technology shaping our future. In fields like manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture, robots equipped with vision systems improve efficiency, safety, and precision. For example, factory robots can spot defects on assembly lines, surgical robots assist with delicate operations, and agricultural robots monitor crop health autonomously. At the heart of many cutting-edge robot vision systems lie two powerful tools: ROS2, the next-gen robot operating system that manages complex robot software, and OpenCV, an open-source library that processes and interprets visual data. ROS2 provides a flexible, real-time communication framework for robot components, while OpenCV offers an extensive toolkit for image processing tasks like object detection, tracking, and recognition. Together, they allow developers to build modular and scalable vision systems. Getting started is straightforward. First, set up a ROS2 environment integrated with OpenCV. Then learn basic image processing, from loading an image to detecting shapes or colors. A simple demo could be a robot identifying and following a moving object based on color tracking. More advanced techniques enable real-time object recognition and vision-guided navigation, paramount for autonomous robots moving through dynamic environments. Developers can even create custom vision pipelines tailored to specific industrial or research needs. Looking ahead, the synergy of ROS2 and OpenCV opens doors to integrating AI and machine learning, enhancing robots' decision-making and adaptability. As robot vision evolves, industries worldwide are poised to benefit from smarter, faster, and more capable robots working alongside humans. What robot vision application excites you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.